Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to show you how to create these AI images for free. Open any web browser, then open bing.com. This is Microsoft's website. Here, click on images link. Now select create button. In the search box, add this prompt into it. I will add this prompt into my description box. You can copy from there. After inserting into search box, click create button. The website started creating image by AI. Finally, you can see multiple images has been created successfully. You can select any one of them according to your requirement. The AI created exact images according to my requirement mentioned in search box, like blue hoodie with yellow color name. To download this image, click download button. After downloading, you can check the final results. Let me give you another example by changing name and color of hoodie to yellow. Click create button. So you can see the name and hoodie color has been changed. Again, select image you want and download the image. All the changes regarding yellow hoodie with blue color names has been changed. So guys, you can also create AI images like this using bing.com. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.